Hey keyboard enthusiasts and click-clack lovers, welcome to our rundown of the top 5 mechanical keyboards that'll make your fingers dance and your gaming foes weep. Whether you're looking for the Rolls-Royce of keyboards or just something that doesn't break the bank or your fingers, we've got you covered. From the flashy RGBs to the silent but deadly keystrokes, we've scoured the market to bring you the creme de la creme of tactile satisfaction. And remember, the products mentioned in this video are of no exact order, so stick around till the end to get the full 411. For more juicy details and the best deals on these products, check out the links in the description box down below. They're updated daily for those sweet discounts and availability. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which keyboard has your heart racing. Let's dive in. Redragon K556 RGB. LED Best RGB Display. Alright, tech aficionados and RGB lovers, gather round. The first product on my list is the Redragon K556 RGB LED, which shines it quite literally as the best RGB display in our lineup. If you've ever wanted your keyboard to look like a disco dance floor, this might just be your jam. Pros: RGB brilliance. With its customizable RGB backlighting, this keyboard can light up your gaming nights or those late-night coding sessions. It's like having a mini aurora borealis on your desk. Build quality. Made with a solid aluminum frame, this keyboard is as sturdy as your grandma's old skillet. It's built to endure the test of time and rage quits. Okay, tactile feedback. The mechanical keys provide a satisfying click with every press, making you feel like a typing maestro, even if you're just Googling cat videos. Easy customization. With its software, you can tailor the RGB patterns to your heart's content. Want a rainbow wave or a pulsating fire pattern? You got it. Cons: size. It's a bit on the bulkier side. But hey, sometimes more is more. Learning curve. With so many customization options, it might take a minute to get everything just right, but think of it as a fun project, not a chore. In conclusion, the Redragon K556 RGB LED is not just a keyboard, it's a statement. It says, I love performance, but I also love a good light show. If you're nodding in agreement, then this might just be the keyboard of your dreams. MageGee 60 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Most affordable. Alright, keyboard enthusiasts and budget hunters, lean in. The next product on my list is the MageGee 60 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, which proudly wears the crown of most affordable in our keyboard kingdom. If you're looking for a keyboard that won't break the bank but will break your gaming limits, then keep reading. Pros: price point. With the MageGee, you get a lot of bang for your buck. It's like finding a gourmet burger at a fast food price. Yum! ECO. Compact design. Its 60 layout means it's perfect for those with limited desk space or for gamers on the go. It's the keyboard equivalent of a studio apartment. Small but functional. Responsive keys. The mechanical switches provide tactile feedback that'll make every keystroke feel like a mini victory. Durability. Despite its price, this keyboard doesn't skimp on build quality. It's like a little tank ready for battling or intense gaming sessions. Cons: no dedicated number pad. Math lovers, you might miss this one. But hey, who needs numbers when you've got skills, right? Basic RGB. While it does have backlighting, don't expect a full-blown light show. It's more of a cozy campfire than a rock concert. In conclusion, the MageGee 60 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is the perfect choice for those who want quality without emptying their wallets. It's the unsung hero of the keyboard world, proving that sometimes less truly is more. Remember, it's not about the price tag, it's about the performance. Logitech's G413C full size, best overall. Alright, keyboard aficionados, gather round. The next product on my list is the Logitech G413C full size, which confidently claims the title of best overall in our keyboard showdown. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to type on a cloud while still having the precision of a surgeon, then you're in for a treat. Pros: build quality. This keyboard is built like a tank, but thankfully, it doesn't weigh as much as one. It's sturdy, durable, and ready for those intense gaming marathons or late-night work sessions. Key responsiveness. Every keystroke feels satisfying, like popping bubble wrap, but without the noise complaints from your neighbors. Full-size layout. With a dedicated number pad and function keys, it's got everything you need and nothing you don't. It's like the Swiss Army knife of keyboards. Sleek design. It's not just about performance. This keyboard looks good too. It's the keyboard equivalent of wearing a tuxedo to a casual event. Overkill? Maybe. Stylish? Absolutely. Cons? Not wireless. While it boasts a lot of features, it still needs that old-school cable connection. But hey, some relationships are just too strong to cut, right? Price point. Quality comes at a price, but think of it as an investment in your typing happiness. In wrapping up, the Logitech G413 SE Full Size is a keyboard that truly delivers on all fronts. It's the all-rounder that doesn't compromise on anything. If you're finding this review helpful so far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more top-tier tech insights. And remember, a good keyboard is like a good friend. Reliable, always there, and doesn't judge you for your typos. Logitech G613 LIGHTSPEED. Best wireless performance. Alright, tech enthusiasts. Hold on to your keycaps because we're diving deep into the world of wireless wonders. The next product on my list is the Logitech 613 LIGHTSPEED, which proudly wears the crown of best wireless performance. If you've ever dreamt of a keyboard that gives you the freedom to dance around while typing, is that just me? Oh, then this might just be your dream come true. Pros. LIGHTSPEED Wireless. The name says it all. This keyboard offers ultra-fast and super reliable wireless performance. It's so fast, by the time you press a key, the letter's already on the screen waiting for you. Battery life. This keyboard can go on and on, much like your aunt at family gatherings. But unlike her stories, you'll appreciate the longevity of this device. Dedicated macro keys. For those who love shortcuts in life and in games, these macro keys are a game changer. Build quality. It's robust, durable, and feels premium. It's like the keyboard went to the gym and came out all buffed up. It's a bit on the bulkier side, but hey, more keyboard to love, right? No RGB. If you're looking to host a mini disco on your desk, this might not be the one, but it's what's inside that counts, right? In conclusion, the Logitech 613 LIGHTSPEED is for those who value performance and freedom. No more being tethered by wires. It's the perfect companion for both work and play. And remember, in the world of keyboards, it's not about the size or the lights. It's about the connection. And this one's wireless. Corsair K100 RGB Best Programmable Keys. Alright, keyboard aficionados, we've reached the grand finale. The last product on my list is none other than the Corsair K100 RGB, which proudly claims the title of Best Programmable Keys. If you've ever thought, I wish I had a button for that, well, Corsair heard you loud and clear. Pros. Programmable to the max. With its macro keys and IQE software, you can customize this keyboard more than your morning coffee order. I'll have a triple shot, half calf, no whip macro with a side of RGB, please. Optical mechanical switches. It's like the keyboard went to the future and brought back some sci-fi tech. Faster actuation and durability. Beam me up, Corsair. RGB lighting. This keyboard can light up your life, or at least your desk, with its 44-zone, 3-sided RGB light edge. It's like having a mini Northern Lights on your table. Aluminum frame. Not only does it look sleek, but it's also built like a tank. But, a really stylish tank. Cons. Price. Quality comes at a price, and this keyboard might make your wallet feel a tad light. But hey, can you really put a price on perfection? Size. It's a bit on the larger side, but with great size comes great responsibility. To type more. In conclusion, the Corsair K100 RGB is the keyboard equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. Versatile, durable, and always ready to impress. Whether you're gaming, working, or just trying to look cool in front of your cat, this keyboard has got your back. And remember, it's not just about the keys, it's about the symphony they create together. Happy typing. Alright, keyboard warriors, that's a wrap on our top 5 mechanical keyboards. Did your fingers dance in delight at one of our picks, or are you still holding out for a keyboard that can type out your dreams? Just kidding, that's not a thing. Yet, drop a comment below and let me know which keyboard tickled your typing fancy. I'll be lurking in the comments. So make it snappy. And hey, if you don't want to miss out on the next Techtastic episode, smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring a ding that bell. Because, turning on the bell might just get you a Ducks invoice. Stay clacky and catch you in the next one.